Look at the size of it! Wow!
Oh my! It's magnificent! I've never seen anything like it. Look at the size of it.
She caught the biggest fish in the river.
I cannot believe our good fortune.
It's the biggest fish I've ever seen, Mother. You did this.
आज तो ईद हो गई बेटी, इतनी बड़ी मछली. Look how fresh this is. Wow. That's a huge piece.
I have the tuna, child. It looks so fresh, Mother.
Turmeric. It adds color and brings all the flavors together. It smells wonderful, Daddy. Ah, the coriander and a touch of cumin. Looks delicious, Mother. Do you like how it smells, my sweet?
It smells delicious, Grandma. Can I try some?
Not yet. It needs to marinate a bit longer. Look, like this. Time for the test.
Oh, look at them fry. Just wait till you taste them. Wonderful.
Look at that perfect color. Just right, my dear. Golden and crispy. Time for flavor. Ooh, watch the sizzle. Time to make this perfect. It smells wonderful, Daddy.